Hey guys, today I'm sharing a magical tea that helps to reduce stress and anxiety along with boosting your metabolic rate. Tulsi tea is a popular ayurvedic tea in whole world and I'm sharing some health benefit of Tulsi tea which is also known as holy basil. Tulsi can be used as a natural ingredient to control weight gain because it enhances your metabolism and fat improves the burning process. Daily consumption Tulsi tea, which has 0 calories in it, boosts your stamina and endurance. So, drinking a cup of Tulsi tea before your workout session can be a great idea to burn more calories and lose belly fat. This could be one of the best home remedies for weight loss.